Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can get unbanned from Omegle. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So there are various ways to get unbanned from Omegle. I'll be showing you some of the easiest way of recovering your account. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the easiest way to get unbanned from Omegle is to change your IP address now with the help of VPN or a proxy. As this particular site blocks the IP address, not the user. When you get connected to the VPN server from a reliable provider, your whole traffic will become encrypted and you'll receive the fresh IP address. So the first method to recover your account is to get connected with the VPN. It would be better if you'd go on with the NordVPN. So then the VPN provides you with a new IP address, and other services might be using proxy. So the feature of proxy is that they'll send your traffic through an intermediate service, making it seem like the server IP address. This will let you access Omegle even if you're banned. So using proxy might be able to fix your issue. If none of these seems to be solving your issue, then what you can do is you can simply wait for 3 days, as Omegle only bans you for 3 days, and after that you can refresh all of your IP address and then you can click cache and data. You can also change your server and other things. 3 days later you'll be able to recover your account. So changing your network might be able to fix it. So those are the methods on how you can get unbanned from Omegle. That was all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.